I bought this lamp for my desk and I really like it. It's compact. It comes with the light bulb and it was really easy to assemble. I actually haven't taken the plastic off of this yet because I'm going to transport this to my office and I just want to keep it from getting dirty during transport. But before I turn it on, you can see hopefully the type of shade that it has. It's like a very light, like ivory color with, or beige, maybe very light beige with this variegation in it, which I think looks really nice. And it has these two USB ports. Oh yeah, it turned on because I touched it. And it doesn't have any outlets on top, which is what I wanted. I just wanted a nice clean look on top. I actually don't think I'm going to use these outlets here, but they are there in case you need them, just two plain USB outlets. And I like the wood grain, and it's just very compact. It's not very big, but provides quite a bit of light. Yeah, when you touch it, it has 3 different settings. So that's the brightest, and then that goes down to being completely off. And then 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it becomes pretty bright. And it also does say on the bottom, it says max 70 watt. Yeah, max 70 watt for the light bulb. Anyhow, I like this lamp. I think it only, if you touch, oh, it actually does. If you touch the silver part, it'll change. Or if you touch the base.
Okay, TikTok. I said TikTok. Amazon. This is my review on the Yarra-Decor USB table lamp. LED bulb included, touch on, touch off, dual USB port outlet. That's what it all says it comes with. This is my review on the lamp. I actually have the lamp on now. That's inside the box. I have the lamp on now. This is the lamp. As you can see, as soon as I touched it, it went off. But this is the lamp. You just tap it for the brightness. It is very sensitive, so even if I just like look, this is me tapping it, right? But even if I just so if you touch this, it doesn't do anything. But anything touched, see, it goes off. Like I remember I just bumped into my desk and it cut off. So that's it. That was with my knuckle. But this is the lamp. That's the input jack. It's a regular plug. The bulb came. I put the shade on. I thought the lamp would be brighter, but it's not significantly brighter. It's a nice little lamp, I would say, but I'm not too much of a fan of this lamp because I wanted something brighter. But I mean, it works for my desk setup. And this is the morning time, right? So this is the brightness coming in from the windows, and that's the lamp there. Focus. I'll insert a picture of it at night and show you guys. But that's how it looks. So, yeah.
Hey guys, I just want to do a quick review of this lamp that my mom bought. It also matches with my room, and it also has a light bulb. So let's build it. They really wrapped this well, so I like that so far. Finally, we got the paper off. Oh, goodness. So actually, we're supposed to take the screw off, then put the lampshade on, then screw it in tightly so it can be nice and snug. And now, see, it's sturdy, and now we need to put the light bulb on. Now we need to plug this in. Since I'm not allowed to touch electricity, my mom's gonna plug it in for me. Now it's plugged in, let's go ahead and tap. Okay, there's 3 levels of light. I think it's beautiful. What do you guys think?
Very nice lamp. You touch it, it goes brighter and then brighter. And then off. I always keep it on low because it adds a slight mood to the room. Has a USB port so I can charge my phone. Highly recommend this purchase.
Hi you all, I just wanted to give you all my Amazon review with this lamp. This lamp is everything to me. It comes with 3 settings, which is perfect. 1, 2, 3. You just lightly click it and it is so beautiful actually. It's not that big, but it's big enough. And it sits right beside my bed.